Welcome back, dear financial adventurers, to another captivating episode of Money Mastery Methods. I'm Nathan, your enthusiastic guide to mastering the art of wealth creation. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's not just essential, but transformative: how to set clear financial goals. In this journey, I'll be your navigator, guiding you through each meticulous step to ensure that you don't just set goals, but you sculpt a finely crafted path to your financial aspirations. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a 9-minute odyssey that's bound to empower you. Let's kick it off. You might be wondering, why are financial goals so crucial? Well, let me tell you, they're like the compass that directs our financial journey. Just as a ship needs a destination, your financial endeavors need clear goals to steer towards. And to truly set goals that resonate with your core, we're going to start right at the foundation: your values. Step 1. Reflect on your values. Picture your values as the guiding stars in the night sky of your life. These values are unique to you and shape the very essence of who you are. They represent what truly matters, what ignites your passions, fuels your motivations, and influences your decision. Aligning your financial goals with these values is like setting your sails in the direction of your true north. Imagine your values as pillars and your financial goals as bridges connecting them. When these bridges are built on strong pillars of values, they're not just goals anymore. They're powerful manifestations of your beliefs. So let's explore different values and how they connect to your financial aspirations. First up, we have the pursuit of financial freedom. If this value resonates with you, your goals might revolve around creating multiple streams of income, reducing debt, or amassing a certain amount of savings that provides you with the freedom to live life on your own terms. Next, we have family security. If your core value is providing for your loved ones, your goals could include creating an emergency fund, purchasing life insurance, or saving for your children's education. These goals ensure that your family is protected from unexpected financial setbacks. Now, let's talk about personal growth. If you're someone who values continuous self-improvement, your financial goals might involve investing in further education, attending skill-enhancing workshops, or launching a business venture. These goals align with your desire for constant growth and development. Then there's legacy building. If leaving a lasting impact is at the heart of your values, your goals could revolve around estate planning, establishing a charitable foundation, or even creating a family business that carries on for generations. These goals reflect your commitment to making a difference that outlasts your lifetime. And finally, we have adventure and experiences. If your value is centered around experiencing life to the fullest, your financial goals might include creating a travel fund, planning exciting excursions, or investing in memorable experiences that enrich your life's narrative. Remember, understanding your values is the compass that guides your financial ship. By aligning your goals with what truly matters to you, your journey becomes more intentional and fulfilling. In the next part, we'll delve into the second step: make your goals specific. Step 2. Make your goals specific, and Step 3. Set measurable milestones. We've set sail on our journey to master the art of setting clear financial goals. In our last segment, we explored the importance of aligning your goals with your core values. Now it's time to dive into the nitty-gritty details of how to craft these goals with precision and purpose. Step 2. Make your goals specific. Have you ever embarked on a journey without knowing your destination? Just as a GPS needs coordinates, your financial goals need specificity to guide you towards success. Here's the deal. Vague goals are like misty outlines that fade away. But specific goals, they're the vibrant landmarks that lead you every step of the way. Let's dive into an example to grasp the concept. Imagine you have a goal of financial stability. It's admirable, but what does that truly mean? Now, let's transform it into something specific. How about this? I aim to save $10,000 within the next year for my emergency fund. Can you feel the difference? This specific goal outlines a clear target and a time frame, giving you a map to follow. The key here is to paint a vivid picture of your goal. The more detailed, the better. Specificity acts as a spotlight that illuminates your path, allowing you to channel your efforts effectively. Step 3. Set measurable milestones. Think of your financial journey as a book, and each goal is a chapter. Now, imagine if that book had no chapters. It'd be a confusing tale without any structure. That's where measurable milestones come in. These milestones are like the chapters that break down your larger goals into manageable pieces. Why are milestones important? Well, imagine you're climbing a mountain. Instead of staring at the distant peak, you focus on reaching the next base camp. These base camps are your milestones. They mark your progress, boost your morale, and provide a sense of accomplishment. For example, let's say you're saving for a down payment on a house. Instead of fixating on the total amount, break it down. Set milestones for saving specific percentages or amounts. Reaching each milestone fuels your determination, and before you know it, you're at the summit of your goal. Analogies aside, milestones are your way of celebrating the small victories on your grand journey. They're like the checkpoints that reassure you that you're on the right track. So make it a habit to set these milestones and relish in the satisfaction they bring. Host might share a personal anecdote about achieving milestones or their importance. In the next segment, we'll continue our journey with steps 4 and 5. Keep goals attainable and goals need to be relevant. Get ready to explore how to strike the perfect balance between ambition and feasibility, and how your goals need to harmonize with your life's context. Step 4. Keep goals attainable, and Step 5. Goals need to be relevant. In our last segment, we explored how specificity and measurable milestones can transform your goals into actionable targets. Now, it's time to strike the perfect balance between ambition and feasibility as we delve into the next step. Step 4. Keep goals attainable. Picture this. You're on a road trip and your destination seems achievable, but there's a massive roadblock ahead. This is exactly what can happen when your goals aren't attainable. The key here is to find the sweet spot where your goals challenge you without overwhelming you. Let me share a personal story. Once I set a goal to read 100 books in a year. Seemed doable, right? But with work, family, and life surprises, it became a Herculean task. I realized that while aiming high is admirable, setting unrealistic goals can lead to disappointment and burnout. So, how do you strike this balance? Think of your goals as bridges. They should be sturdy enough to carry you, but challenging enough to inspire growth. These stretch goals encourage you to push your limits while keeping your feet grounded in reality. Step 5. Goals need to be relevant. Imagine painting a masterpiece, but someone handed you a puzzle piece instead of a paintbrush. This is what happens when your goals aren't relevant to your life's context. Every goal you set needs to fit seamlessly into the larger picture of your life. Consider your current life stage, financial situation, and long-term vision. Let's say you're in your 20s and dream of traveling the world. While owning a house is a great goal, it might not be relevant right now. Instead, focus on goals like building an emergency fund or investing in experiences that enrich your life. Remember, the puzzle pieces of your goals should fit harmoniously, creating a beautiful mosaic that represents you. By ensuring your goals are relevant, you're crafting a narrative that resonates with your life's journey. Step 6. Time-bound targets. Imagine setting off on an adventure without knowing when you'll reach your destination. Would that journey have the same excitement and purpose? Probably not. Time-bound targets add a sense of urgency and structure to your goals, turning them from dreams into reality. Think of your financial journey as a garden. Without the seasons, your garden might wither. Similarly, without deadlines, your goals might lose momentum. Setting a time frame breathes life into your goals, motivating you to take consistent action. Whether it's a year, 3 years, or more, each deadline is a milestone that propels you forward. Step 7. Prioritize and focus. Imagine juggling multiple balls in the air. Sooner or later, one is bound to drop. That's why the art of prioritizing and focusing is essential in goal setting. Just as a magnifying glass concentrates sunlight, focusing on specific goals magnifies your result. Think of yourself as a craftsman, honing your skills one masterpiece at a time. Prioritizing your goals allows you to channel your energy and attention effectively. By tackling one goal at a time, you give it the dedication it deserves, increasing the likelihood of success. Step 8. Write them down. In a world dominated by screens, the power of the written word endures. Writing down your goals transforms abstract ideas into tangible objectives. It's like signing a contract with yourself, affirming your commitment to achieving what you desire. Whether you jot them in a journal, sketch them on a vision board, or type them in a digital document, writing your goals is a declaration of intent. It imprints your aspirations into your reality, making them more than mere thoughts. They become your blueprint for success. Step 9. Review and adjust. Think of your financial journey as a dynamic story. Just as characters evolve and plots twist, your goals may need adjustments along the way. Regularly reviewing your goals is like turning the pages of your story, celebrating achievements and adapting to unexpected turns. Life is ever-changing, and your goals should reflect that. By reviewing and adjusting them, you ensure they remain aligned with your evolving circumstances and aspirations. Flexibility doesn't mean giving up. It means adapting and thriving. Conclusion. And there you have it, the comprehensive guide to setting clear financial goals. From aligning with your values to crafting specific, measurable, and relevant objectives, to infusing urgency with timeframes, focusing on priorities, and documenting your aspirations. You're now armed with the tools to sculpt your financial future. Remember, these steps are not just guidelines. They're the pillars that will support your journey toward financial success. Your goals are the compass that guides you through uncharted waters, ensuring you reach your destination with purpose and intention. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on mastering your money and life. Until next time, keep setting those clear financial goals and watch as your dreams unfold.